Hi there, I'm Diane Craig. Today, I'm extending a personal invitation to you. I'm inviting you to a transformative journey to start reshaping your career path. So, are you ready to step up your game? Just imagine sidestepping career pitfalls and unlocking what's been holding you back. I'm talking about what's holding you back from being more of who you are, do more of what you want to do, and have more of what you want to like in your career and personal life. This is an invitation to discover your very own breakthrough point to growth and transformation, that missing puzzle piece you've been searching for. Success isn't just a chance, it's a deliberate choice and commitment. Now, are you ready to take charge of your career acceleration? Change agents, listen up. If you're dedicated to helping not only yourself, but others surpass roadblocks, this workshop is your gateway to success too. Click the link below to secure your spot. Once you're registered, you will receive an email with a link to complete your breakthrough point assessment. The assessment results will be shared with you only 1 hour before the workshop. No interpretations or assumptions. This is the reason why I'm sending it to you just 1 hour before the workshop, during which I will guide you to get pure clarity of your results. So don't miss this chance to reshape your career journey. Click the link below now, and let's embark on this exciting transformation together. Register now and see you soon.